Hey guys, this is Mark from Legs Garage. I got something pretty cool to show you guys today. Ask you what you think about it right this way. So I'm sure everybody's pretty familiar with our 1964 Triumph TR4 over here. This car has had a wild history. We don't really know the whole story. We bought it off of a relative, maybe 10 years ago, and it came with a few things that are kind of weird, which maybe I'll do another video about someday. But one thing that it did come with is it came with some paperwork, and one of the things that was in there was this sheet, which I'm pretty sure tells us a little bit about something a previous owner did to the cam on this car. Check out this sheet. It appears this was done in 1981, and it's got the profile of the cam here and some specs. It was done by a company called RACER Brown. Camshaft valve train components. Don't know anything about that company. On the back here we have some information on breaking in our new camshaft. And a little bit about the lifters and some settings and stuff like that. So I guess the reason I bring this up is that obviously this isn't, oh, that's upside down. Obviously this isn't quite a stock engine if we've got this cam in here. So I don't know if we should temper our expectations on how well it's going to idle or how powerful it's going to be or anything like that. So I'm kind of making this video just to ask you guys what you think about this. It's got some of these duration numbers and the degrees when everything opens and closes. I just want to know if anybody knows, are these really hot numbers? Are they kind of mild? Just let me know in the comments about that, or if you are familiar with this RACER Brown, or if you know anything about that, or if that changes anything about how we tune this car. I'd really love to hear from you. So that's it. That's just a quick update. I just wanted to see if anybody knew anything about that. We'll be back to working on this car a little more in depth next week. But if you have any information, let me know. If you like the video, please go ahead and hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and we'll see you next time.